We are here at Blueberry.
जी,
It's a leading premium brand for diaries, notebooks, and premium gift sets.
ओके,
Our company name is Alliance Diary, and we are based at Karol Bagh, and having a factory at Sahibabad,
जी,
UP.
ओके,
Few of the products we are importing, which are not made in India, else everything is in-house, including the branding, packaging. We have a complete solution for your all corporate gifting.
प्रॉमिस,
Corporate gifting for a big purpose. You are going to give to your employees as a welcome kit, or you want to give to your clients whenever they come and meet you, or you go and meet them. It's a welcome gesture. When you're meeting someone, you're giving them a beautiful gift, and which is useful for them.
ओके।
All premium leather PU combos in different price range, different colors, different textures, different PUs.
सो हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल और एक और नए वीडियो में आपका स्वागत करते हैं। और आज आपको मैं लेके पहुंचा हूं प्रगति मैदान गिफ्ट एक्सपो 2024 में। और गिफ्टिंग से रिलेटेड अगर आप लोग कुछ बिजनेस करते हैं या इससे रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेरीज हैं या कुछ भी कनेक्ट करना चाहें तो डायरेक्ट कंपनी से आके जुड़ सकते हैं। लेके पहुंचे ऐसे गिफ्टिंग आइडियाज़ के बाद जो कि डायरीज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं आपके लिए। अगर आप लोग गिफ्टिंग करना चाह रहे हैं किसी भी इंडस्ट्रीज, कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग या पर्सनल किसी भी तरीके से, तो डायरेक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर के पास लेके आए हैं। दिल्ली बेस्ड कंपनी है। पूछ लेते हैं सर से, ओनर से डायरेक्ट बात करेंगे क्या पूरा प्रोसेस होएगा, आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी जाएगी। B2B में आप इनसे डायरेक्ट जुड़ सकते हो। अगर डीलर, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, हर एक तरीके की फैसिलिटीज़ इनकी बात कर लेते हैं कैसे आप जुड़ सकते हैं। कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर स्क्रीन पर दिया गया है, आप कॉल कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो हाय सर।
Hi.
तो सर एक इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए प्लीज़, हमारी ऑडियंस को बताइए
Sure.
क्या प्रोडक्ट है।
We are here at Blueberry.
जी,
It's a leading premium brand for diaries, notebooks, and premium gift sets.
ओके,
Our company name is Alliance Diary, and we are based at Karol Bagh, and having a factory at Sahibabad, UP.
ठीक है। तो सर पर्टिकुलर आप लोग ये इन हाउस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है आप लोगों का सारा?
Everything is in-house at our end.
ओके,
Few of the products we are importing, which are not made in India, else everything is in-house, including the branding, packaging. We have a complete solution for your all corporate gifting.
तो मतलब कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग से रिलेटेड मतलब जितना भी आप लोग हैं वो सारा आपका
All the products display here are our own products.
ठीक है। तो दोस्तों चलिए आगे चलते हैं। और जो डिस्प्ले में प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पर दिए हैं सर ने, वो सारे आपको वन बाय वन करके दिखाते हैं क्या प्रोडक्ट रेंज होगा, क्या क्वालिटी रहेगी, सारी वन बाय वन आपको देखने को मिलेगी। तो चलिए वीडियो को यहाँ पर शुरू करते हैं। एंड जो भी चैनल पर नया जुड़ा है इस वीडियो को शेयर करके जरूर जाएगा ताकि आपके लिए ऐसी कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग से रिलेटेड वीडियोस आती रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
This is a premium bamboo combo, bamboo notebook, a bamboo pen, a bamboo keychain, a bamboo tumbler, and a bottle with bamboo sleeve, hot and cold bottle. All can be customized with the branding, and it all comes in a premium gift packaging, made with imported kappa board.
So basically these all are corporate gifting purpose.
Corporate gifting for a big purpose. You are going to give to your employees as a welcome kit, or you want to give to your clients whenever they come and meet you, or you go and meet them. It's a welcome gesture. When you're meeting someone, you're giving them a beautiful gift, and which is useful for them.
ओके,
These are our other combos, all premium leather PU combos in different price range, different colors, different textures, different PUs, to cater all your needs. Whichever color you want, whichever feel you want, whichever budget you have, we have a product for each budget.
ठीक है।
And all customization branding is possible at our end. See,
Okay,
likewise, this we have made for our reputed company. Everybody knows LG. This is again a premium combo. It's having a wireless charger. You just plug in this and you can charge any of your mobile which is compatible. And other, it's having an insulated bottle, a premium card holder, a keychain, a premium pen, and a premium notebook.
Okay.
And again, it comes in a premium gift box.
And if you talk about the pricing as compared to other one, the Blueberry.
See, sir, we are giving you a standard product. We are not giving you a local product. And our pricing are very, very, very reasonable. If you compare the quality, kindly compare apple with apple. Just you don't go by the size and the product. Compare the product and then you can decide yourself whether our pricing is good or not. See, again, this is a sustainable product made from cork, eco-friendly. This is premium leather look, PU leather. And this is again a very premium and beautiful combo. This notebook is made from coffee bean extracts and cork, 100% eco-friendly.
So this service is completely in-house facilities you have, I think.
Yeah. Everything is in-house.
Okay.
Even the printing, branding, laser engraving, UV printing, packaging, bulk packaging, distribution. We are working pan-India
ठीक है। If
and
you-
already exporting to many countries. This is a new concept. It's a premium executive bag, and this you can put your goodies inside.
Okay.
All your gifts can come inside a bag. You can surprise your employee, you can surprise your client with so many good things coming out from the bag. And it's up to you what kind of a budget you have. We can fix it accordingly. Likewise, this bottle can also fit in if you have more budget.
So
If
are
you have
you
less budget, we can reduce the things.
so are you dealing on only one piece also, or you can also
No,
do
no,
the-
we are only dealing in bulk.
Hmm.
Our MOQ for any product is 100 pieces.
Okay,
We are
minimum.
not catering to the retail segment.
Okay, 100 pieces, then we will customize everything.
Yeah, everything is possible. Customization charges are extra, but customization everything is possible at an end.
And how much long time to take up the
Normally, it depends on the quantity needed and the customization needed.
Mhm.
So if the quantity is low, 5 to 7 days. If quantity is huge, we will discuss on the time.
Right. So we have some more actually.
So more islands. This is a sling bag with a matching combo. This is again you can add on a tumbler also. So many products are like this. This is to match your blue color. Normally you get all that blue and black. Now you have all colors as per your requirement. These are the premium gents combos. A premium wallet, a premium watch. These are the few of the imported gadgets
Right.
we have imported. This is a beautiful concept. You just plug in, and then you can charge your Apple. You can charge your Apple Watch, and you can charge your Apple EarPods.
These are all on gifting purpose.
It's a complete solution for all Apple lovers.
Okay, very nice. This is power.
These are the power banks, 20,000 mAh.
And you have any guarantee warranty of this product?
These are all tested good products. It comes with a 6 months warranty.
Lights also.
This is again, it serves the purpose of a night lamp
Okay.
plus wireless charging.
Right.
This is again also having the wireless charging feature. These are your premium mugs to enjoy your tea or coffee with the stirrer. So this is having a beautiful umbrella inside. Auto open, auto close, high quality product. This again is our hot seller. It's a premium wooden combo. A wooden bottle, a wooden notebook, a premium wooden pen, a wooden keychain.
So this
All these can be branded.
cold water or hot water?
This is an insulated bottle.
Okay. Okay.
12 hours hot and cold.
Okay.
Steel inside. This is again a premium gents combo.
So you have a
Choice is endless.
multiple options you have, I think.
No. This is a all new series,
Very nice.
eco-friendly, sustainable series, introduced for the first time in India. This is made from real cork and coffee bean extracts. You can smell the coffee. Enjoy your coffee with a coffee book.
Okay, great. Very nice. So these all are eco-friendly products, right?
These are all eco-friendly, new innovations, introduced for the first time in India.
Okay, nice.
This cover can be fully customized with the branding. And this is on PU. This is not paper.
Okay. You.
You might get on paper, but not on PU. Any design you can provide, and it will come out beautifully.
Very nice.
This is a new blockbuster,
Okay, very nice.
a fingerprint lock.
Very nice. This is really premium, I think. Huh?
Yeah,
Unique and
unique, introduced again for the first time. Wireless charging, premium SS6, high quality inside paper, and 8,000 mAh power bank
okay,
inbuilt.
power inbuilt.
Inbuilt.
Okay, very nice. So thumb impression, how many people will use?
It's a personal product, so only you can use.
Okay.
I will not be able to open. We will provide you a manual. It will be configured with your finger only.
Okay, great. Very nice. This is really awesome product.
And will come out in a premium packaging. Options. This is having a pen drive, wireless charging. So we have a complete range to suit all your budgets.
मतलब you have everything in the house, in house.
Everything is in house.
Okay, great. Okay. So if we talk about the somebody people wants to connect with you through B2B market or dealer distributor, so what the right process over
So
there?
we are serving pan India, as I've told before, and exporting also. They can connect to our community, and they can drop a message on our WhatsApp, and they will get our e-catalog, and they can just promote our catalog to their clients, and they mark up their price, and then they can get the orders. And we are here to serve them.
Great, sir. So thank you so much for this kind of this
My
very
pleasure.
good.